Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to generate the cover letter using ChatGPT. This is good for job seekers who are looking for job. So let's get started with the video. So basically, I've created a prompt over here. This is the sample prompt. What you need to do, you need to write a cover letter for. You can mention your position, for which position you are looking the job, and here you need to mention at which company you are looking for that cover letter, you are making for that cover letter. You can give the background, that means here's my background, that means your relevant experience over here in which you have it. And post this, you need to enter here any additional skills which you have, and you can give the tone if you want in a professional friendly way, if you want it in a formal way, informal way, you can mention it and give this prompt to ChatGPT. So as you can see, it has started creating the cover letter over here. You can just copy this particular cover letter, make the changes here. You need to enter your full name, your email address, phone number. If you have any LinkedIn portfolio or any portfolio link, you can just add it here if you have it. So this is how basically you can create a cover letter, entering the position, location, your work experience and any skills that you have. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.